Hello everyone, NCERT here and welcome to my lecture. Here in this lecture, I will try to cover the different laws which are associated with union and intersection. So that means we will try to discuss all those properties which can be applicable or which will be satisfied by union and intersection. Okay, the first property, that means they are known as basic laws of sets, or you can say that algebra of sets. So first one is idempotent law. Idempotent. So this is nothing but the law which can be applied in between the same set. That means the first one is the union of the set with itself. Eta sete nizar setor logot jeta union koriba, you will get the same set. So just imagine what I have told actually. Zetia, suppose A is a set 1, 2, 3. Suppose 1, 2. Then A union M is what? A union A is 1, 2 union, then 1, 2. What will happen? That means you have to combine, in case of union, you have to combine the elements of all the sets that you are used to find out the union. Union উলিয়াবৰ কাৰণে যিটা set use কৰিছা দুটি set বিলাকৰ element বিলাক combine কৰিব লাগে. So when we combine all the elements of these two sets, then we will have 1, 2. This is multiplied by the set A. Then obviously from the example also you can easily imagine that the union of the same set which itself is equal to A. Similarly, what is the value of the intersection? A intersection A is nothing but, so in the same way we can easily identify here also A intersection A. Intersection means you have to find the common elements. So here 1, 2 is also there, here also 1, 2 is there. So the intersection will be equal to A. This law is known as idempotent law. Clear? So idempotent law means this law is always applied in between the same set. Union of the same set with itself is equal to the set itself. Intersection of a set A with itself is equal to the set itself. B intersection B is equal to B. Phi intersection phi is equal to phi. In this way, we can easily generalize all the sets of union and intersection. Next one is identity laws. What do you mean by actual identity? Remember, depending upon the operation, identity elements are different. For example, operation to depend kori identity element to beleg hoy. Jeneke addition or karone, so 2 plus. Identity element is nothing but an element. Identity element enakota element hoy. Z2 element or logot baki Z element ore tumi operation nokora, the element will remain same. A element is same thakibo lagibo. So moi jodi hudu addition or kar identity element ki, that means the question will be like that. 2 logot ba jikono arbitrary element logot ki element plus korile 2 will be remain same, 3 will remain same, 5 will be remain same. That means answer should be equal to 2. If it is 8, then answer should be equal to 8. So what is that? Obviously 0. So 0 is the identity element. But depending upon the multiplication operation, one is known as the multiplicative identity. That means depending upon the operation, identity element is different. Identity element enokata element hoy Z2 element or logot baki Z element or operation nokora, the element will be remain same. It is what 8 to same ase. Moi jodi ko 9, suppose 18 korilu, moi 18 pala. Suppose jodi moi ko 5, what will be the answer 5. So in this way, so identity element is a unique element. After having the operation, the operation no in element of same thakibo. Okay, so in the same way, depending upon the operation, identity elements are different. For addition, it is 0. For multiplication, it is 1. In the same way, for union, it is what eta set considered. So if I consider 5, this is nothing but the empty set. Then A union 5 is equal to what? Just combine elements, what you will have? 1, 2, what you have got actually? A. So that means A union phi is equal to, you have got the same set. 1 into 2 is equal to 2. That means this element remains same. That's why 1 is known as identity element. Here which one? A same as well. A to same number. That means that element will be considered as the identity element. So for union, phi is the identity element. ঠিক আছে, সেটৰ অপাৰেশন টু এখানে সেট ইউজ কৰিছো, ইয়াৰ নাম্বাৰ আছে, সো নাম্বাৰ ইউজ কৰিছো. Similarly, in case of intersection, universal set, A intersection universal set is equal to কি পাইছা? A পাইছো. Is it the same as? That's why the another set will be known as the identity element for that operation. এই operation to identity element, one is known as multiplicative identity. তেনেকৈ কোৱা যায়. এটা same way আমি কি কম? For intersection, universal set is the identity element. For union, phi is the identity element. Union of phi is the identity element. Because A log of phi usually union, you will get the same set. A intersection universal set is equal to A itself. এখানে U intersection of identity element আর phi 2 union of identity element. Next, associative law. Associative law means you can easily associate A union B union C. Suppose you have to add 1 plus 2 plus 3. Whenever you have to add, you can use any 2. Either you can use suppose 1 plus 2 3, then 2 plus 3, what is the answer? 6. Or you can easily start in this way also. 2 plus 3 5 plus 1, what is the answer? 6. That is the procedure will be in some operations are ready. So an operation আছে তোমালকে এলিমেন্ট কোনটো আগতে লৈছে, it does not matter. After all, the value will be remain same. Here in this one operation we have first of all simplified A and B. Then after getting the value of A union B, we have find out the union of that set and C. In the next case, তোমালকে B আৰু C প্ৰথমে অপাৰেট কৰিছে, যেটো নতুন সেট পাইছা তাৰ লগত আমি A অপাৰেট কৰিছো. In both the cases what we have got equal sign, that is they have the same value, same set. So associative property, remember union and intersection both satisfy the associative property. That means we can easily say that suppose P union Q union R, suppose the operation is given, without having any doubt we can easily write down Q union R because this one is associative. Here we have done the operation first in between P and Q. See in the same way, here we have done the operation between Q and R. It does not matter, they have the same value, equal value. So we can easily apply. Remember, what is the specific property? Associative property can apply whenever the operation inside the bracket as well as outside the bracket are same. যেটা bracket or ভিতর আর বাহির থেকে operation যদি same হয়, you have to apply the associative property. Let's observe intersection associative property. Distributive, the difference between associative and distributive. Distributive means the operation lies inside the bracket as well as the outside the bracket will be different. The operation lies inside the bracket as well as the outside the bracket should be different. Then it will be known as distributive. A union B. First of all, A to B level operation করেছি. Then intersection, then A union C. In the same way, A intersection B first. First A to A করেছি, then A intersection C. Union will remain same. So in this way, we have got 4 different laws: idempotent, identity, associative, and distributive. Another law is left with us. This is nothing but the operation number 5, commutative law. Okay, commutative law. Very simple. A union B is always equal to B union. It does not matter which one set you have considered first. But the operation is same, union. So that's why A union B always equal to B union. Next one is A intersection B is equal to what? B intersection A. That means you can easily say that union and intersection both satisfy the commutative property. P intersection Q is always equal with what? Q intersection P. In this way, you can easily write down all those properties. Just go through the properties once again. We will try to apply all those properties whenever we try to simplify the question of sets theory. Then obviously, we'll try to apply idempotent law somewhere. Identity law is if for union phi is the identity element, for intersection Q is the identity element. Depending upon the operation, identity element is different. Associative law, distributive law, what is the difference? Associative means operation will be lies inside and outside will be same. Operation lies inside and outside will be different. And commutative law, it does not matter. That means commutative law means order is immaterial. A union B, B union A. A intersection B, B intersection A. Value will be remain same. I hope you have got my point. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.